Hello everyone, I am the head of the closing group. Begin today's report, which will take a proactive approach to identify the organizational challenges the Nova technology is currently facing and providing potential solutions. The report evaluates the feasibility of the environment and the strategy faced by the company and provides relevant suggestions for personal difficulties. Nova Technologies is an emerging company that provides cutting-edge technology solutions and has been proven to have positive contribution in the healthcare, finance, and manufacturing industries. The company is facing a turbulent external and internal environment and is adapting to achieve a reversal of market share and profit margins through active change management and organizational adjustments. The company has just undergone an acquisition and has undergone significant landscape adjustment. This change has learned pressure on organizational management, mainly involving the balance of management with the parent company and change in internal leadership style and organizational environment. The first topic was paying attention to the redesigns of the company organizational structure. The company is considering the management priorities and organizational designs for change to achieve more effective attention delivery. This is an effective and necessary practice, as the original hierarchical structure of the company has been proven not to be compatible with the business characteristics of the organization as a staff company. The company does not require a clear hierarchical structure and hierarchical responsibility system. So this strategy is considered to hinder good communication and prevent the coordinated use human resources. An organic and open structure is more suitable for the company's current strategic needs and change in the external environment. The self-learning and self-movement structure is more conducive to quickly responding to external change and adopting flexible responses and adjustments. The novel attempts to accommodate most effective and open communication channels to reduce part communication costs and weaken barriers to collaborations between different departments for startups. Flexible and adaptable positions are more feasible than the strict hierarchies because the combination of position and human demand functions are intent. The company's industries need cross-departmental integration to increase competitiveness. The fundamental foundation for company to undergo stress the organizational restructuring lies in the shared values and education of change among all members at this point. Organizational values, organizational cultures, and change management play important roles which directly determine the company's output and performance and even determine the action of employees and the success of the company's strategic adjustment. It is obvious that the current state of the company does not meet such expectations, and this decision is full of uncertainty for employees. Therefore, in the short term, it redesigns employees' certifications and even directly lends to a deterioration of the work environment. The work environment includes a comfortable physiological start and stable work rhythm. Currently, not all employees agree with and adapt to this change, mainly in the engineering team and product development team led by Action Potter. They are under great pressure to deliver results, while not spending extra energy to cope with the work. Still, adjustment caused by adjustmental structure adjustment which makes them feel excluded from a familiar process. Therefore, one of the potential streets is gradual graduation for a nearly important later. Mr. Chen can utilize Alport's wellness framework to consider the alignment between strategy and individuals. Employees due to different importance ranking of employees for different value dimensions is necessary to consider Gordon changed strange in the early stage of organizational change, such as slicing in the marketing teams led by Mia Govani as a output, which can create the possibility of trade operational with the organization and performance the expectations of the other departments and personnel. This stretch help to form organizational cultures, thereby influencing employees with those long-term interaction. The second important strategy is to adopt a hybrid organizational structure with support results engine between organization to improve efficiency. For functional teams that develop risks, such as development teams, the company can adopt a project-based strategy and upgrade authorizations to support technical completion among the main internal employees and about habitual work mechanisms. According to the able strategies when forming a self-management team, the company must receive the management criteria for excellent teams and focus on motivating them, which is conducive to employees' self-management and drive the formation of efficient outputs. Therefore, motivation is an important strategy used to help Mr. Chen improve or even enhance the performance of the original at present. The motives for applied strategies might come from potential concerns about external uncertainties and workflow changes and based on this, personal long-term development and additional performance on uh, concerns the feasible strategies mainly focus on two areas, namely job applications and reward systems. Job applications need to clearly indicates concerns about employees' job satisfaction and adaptability during the transition period, provides them with adjustable communication channels and anytime and actively adopts their suggestions. On the other hand, employees' achievements in the new organizational structure and self-management model will adopt higher performance standards companies can combine collective achievement goals with individuals goals to design better incentive measures to achieve constant employees' behavior. In addition, the job characteristic theory is considered a good strategy for considering the abilities and adjustment package of employees in the process. The NOVA can use positive insight into the individual's strengths of key members with the addition to support a self-management model where considering optical and psychological motives as well as specific structure design and hard conditions such as supporting report work, authorizations and fixed work, and considering the business and execution needs of different teams. Finally, leadership constitutes a key person in this learning strategy change active. Our group believes that CEO Mr. Chen has adopted the correct and appropriate strategies to face account internal and external conditions of the companies. Compared to traditional leadership methods, I believe Mr. Chin has practiced the role of the transformational leadership. He was the first to identify the internal and internal problem faced by the organization and process a disruptive perspective which is consonant with the current reality of the company. At the same time, he considered the overall development of the organization and positional progress. The role and attitudes of a leader have a significant impact on a company's strategy change as strategies identify and implement from the top have strong feasibilities and low obstacles. Therefore, the support and communications of learners of strange will directly affect the progress and the speed of the organizational adjustments for the NOVA. The organizational needs to adopt proactive employees communication to make employees aware that change is necessary and adapt regular inclusion and brainstorming among all members to read information as matrix between scenery, mathematics and employees. There be improving the success rate of organizational change. Leaders need to take positive action gradually, refine corporate close those self-management of the portals and flat reporting process and those strengthen personal action to achieve organizational realization. Although the company's current strategies face some internal obstacles, diversification is a good indicator, including different human capital backgrounds and even traits. Diversification remember a human capital that communication can leverage in designing work methods and providing different strengths. The company needs to consider effectively on utilizing present traits and strengthening imaging while reducing implies physical restrictions and increasing their job satisfaction to promote the achievement of higher levels of goals.